Hello everyone, and welcome to today's presentation. I'm excited to have you here as we explore an important topic for your data strategy. Today, we'll be discussing choosing the right data management solution in the Microsoft ecosystem for 2025. The focus will be on a comprehensive comparison between Microsoft Dataverse and SharePoint Lists. We'll look at their strengths, differences, and how to select the best option for your needs. So, let's dive in and discover how to optimize your data management approach for the future. When it comes to managing data within the Microsoft ecosystem in 2025, organizations are often faced with a crucial decision. Should they choose Microsoft Dataverse or SharePoint Lists? Now, SharePoint Lists are great for simple data tracking and collaboration. Think of them as a straightforward, easy-to-use tool. But as your data and processes become more complex, these lists can start to show their limitations. You might notice performance slowing down or difficulties, maintaining data accuracy and consistency. This slide is really about setting the stage for a deeper comparison, helping you understand which solution aligns best with your organization's needs and future initiatives. The goal is to make an informed choice that supports growth, efficiency, and data integrity as we move into 2025. Let's dive into some key takeaways for 2025 data management. When choosing the right data management solution within the Microsoft ecosystem, it's important to consider the specific needs of your project. For simpler, low-cost projects that prioritize easy collaboration and straightforward data tracking, SharePoint Lists are a great choice. They are user-friendly, quick to set up, and ideal for scenarios where ease of use is paramount. On the other hand, if you're dealing with complex, mission-critical applications that demand scalability, robust security, and sophisticated data relationships, Microsoft Dataverse is the way to go. It provides the advanced features necessary to support these demanding requirements. So, when comparing SharePoint Lists and Microsoft Dataverse, think about the complexity and security needs of your project. SharePoint Lists are perfect for simplicity and quick deployment, while Dataverse is suited for more advanced, enterprise-level solutions. Connecting this to our overall theme, selecting the right tool ensures your data management aligns with your project goals, ultimately driving better outcomes in 2025 and beyond. Now, let's take a closer look at how Dataverse integrates seamlessly with the Power Platform and Azure services. This integration empowers us to develop powerful applications and perform advanced analytics with ease. By connecting with these platforms, Dataverse helps streamline workflows and unlock new capabilities for our business solutions. Security is also a top priority. Dataverse offers robust security features, including advanced controls that safeguard sensitive data. This means we can confidently manage our data knowing that it's protected against unauthorized access or breaches. Another key aspect is the AI-powered tools integrated into Dataverse. These tools automate routine data management tasks and enhance our ability to analyze and interpret data more effectively. It's like having an intelligent assistant that helps us work smarter. And when it comes to data structure, Dataverse supports relational tables with rich metadata. This ensures strong data integrity and validation, making our data reliable and consistent across applications. Overall, Microsoft Dataverse is a cloud-based, enterprise-grade data platform designed to handle complex business data. It's a versatile solution that plays a crucial role in modern app development and data management within the Microsoft ecosystem. Let's take a closer look at SharePoint Lists and understand why they are such a valuable tool in the Microsoft ecosystem. SharePoint Lists are essentially simple, user-friendly data containers within Microsoft 365. They are designed to make data management straightforward and accessible, even for those who may not have a technical background. This means that non-technical users can quickly create, update, and manage lists without needing specialized training. One of the key strengths of SharePoint Lists is their seamless integration with other Microsoft 365 applications. They work smoothly with tools like Teams and Forms, which enhances overall productivity. For example, you can link a list to a Teams channel, making collaboration more dynamic and real-time. Similarly, integrating with forms allows for easy data collection and updates within your lists. Ease of use is a core focus here. The design prioritizes simplicity, so teams can get started quickly without a steep learning curve. Whether you're tracking basic project data or managing team information, SharePoint lists provide a straightforward way to organize and collaborate effectively. Finally, these lists facilitate easy file sharing and collaboration. You can attach files directly to list items, share lists with colleagues effortlessly, and work together more efficiently. This integration and ease of use really makes SharePoint lists an excellent choice for teamwork and basic data tracking within the Microsoft 365 environment. Now, let's take a closer look at the differences between SharePoint lists and Dataverse when it comes to data structures. SharePoint lists are designed to offer simpler structures, using basic data types and limited lookup capabilities. This makes them ideal for straightforward data scenarios where the relationships between data are minimal or simple. They're easy to set up and manage, which can be quite advantageous in less complex environments. On the other hand, Dataverse supports much more complex data relationships, including one-to-many and many-to-many relationships. This makes it suitable for more sophisticated data models where relationships and data integrity are critical. Additionally, Dataverse is enriched with metadata and validation rules, which help maintain high data quality and consistency across your applications. Connecting this to our overall theme, choosing the right data management solution depends on the complexity of your data needs. For simpler scenarios, SharePoint lists might be enough, but for more complex relational data, Dataverse provides the robust capabilities required to keep your data organized and reliable. When comparing ease of use, it's important to understand that different solutions have different strengths. For example, Dataverse requires a deeper understanding of data models, security roles, and platform capabilities. This makes it more suitable for developers and power users who want to build sophisticated, custom applications. It's powerful, but it does come with a steeper learning curve. On the other hand, SharePoint lists excel in accessibility. They are designed to be user-friendly, allowing non-technical users to create and manage data with minimal training. This makes SharePoint lists ideal for teams that need quick, straightforward data management without the need for advanced technical skills. So, when choosing the right data management solution in the Microsoft ecosystem for 2025, consider your team's technical expertise and project complexity. If you need advanced features and customization, Dataverse might be the way to go. But if ease of use and quick setup are your priorities, SharePoint lists are a great choice. Now, let's take a look at some of the cost considerations for 2025 when choosing the right data management solution within the Microsoft ecosystem. As you can see on this slide, SharePoint lists are included with Microsoft 365 licenses, which makes them a very cost-effective option, especially for small-scale or simple projects where keeping costs down is a priority. They're readily available and don't require any additional fees, making them great for quick, straightforward solutions. On the other hand, Dataverse can offer more advanced data management capabilities, but it may come with higher costs. These costs often come from subscription fees and storage charges, particularly when you're dealing with large volumes of data. So, if your project involves extensive data or complex data needs, it's important to weigh these additional expenses against the benefits. The key takeaway here is that for small projects or those with tight budgets, SharePoint lists can be a very budget-friendly choice. But for larger, more complex data environments, investing in Dataverse might be justified despite the higher costs. This decision should always align with your overall project needs and financial considerations. Now, let's look at some of the limitations we face with certain data management options within the Microsoft ecosystem. For example, SharePoint lists have a well-known threshold of 5,000 items. When your data exceeds this limit, or when usage becomes more intense, you'll start to see performance issues and a less optimal user experience. This can really hinder productivity and data reliability. On the other hand, solutions like Dataverse are designed to deliver high performance and scalability. They can efficiently manage large datasets and handle complex queries without slowing down or degrading in performance. This makes them a much better choice as your data volume and user demands grow. So the key takeaway here is that while SharePoint lists are simple and easy to use, they have their limits. Meanwhile, Dataverse provides the robustness needed for scalable, high-performing applications. This distinction is crucial as we consider the best data management solutions for our organization's future. Let's take a closer look at the security features comparison. When it comes to choosing the right data management solution within the Microsoft ecosystem for 2025, understanding the security capabilities is crucial. Starting with basic permission settings, these are quite straightforward but have limitations. They lack fine-grained security controls, which means they aren't ideal for handling highly sensitive information where detailed access management is necessary. On the other hand, advanced security mechanisms offer a much more robust approach. They include column and row-level access controls, allowing us to specify exactly who can see or edit specific parts of the data. Encryption adds an extra layer of protection, ensuring data remains secure even if intercepted. Role-based permissions help assign access based on user roles, making security management more streamlined and effective. These advanced features make solutions suitable for sensitive and regulated data, which is often a priority in many organizations today. When comparing SharePoint Lists security features with Dataverse security features, you'll notice that Dataverse provides these advanced controls and encryption options, making it the better choice for highly sensitive data. So, as we consider our options, it's important to match the security features to the sensitivity of the data we're managing. This ensures we not only comply with regulations, but also protect our information effectively in the evolving digital landscape. Now, let's talk about customization and flexibility within the Microsoft ecosystem for 2025. On this slide, we're comparing SharePoint Lists and Dataverse. First, it's important to understand that both solutions allow some level of customization. For example, with SharePoint Lists, you can easily modify columns, create different views, and set up simple forms to better suit your needs. This makes it straightforward to tailor the data presentation without much complexity. However, SharePoint Lists do have limitations. They don't support advanced logic or automation out of the box, which means if you need complex workflows or sophisticated data operations, you'll have to look elsewhere. That's where Dataverse shines. It supports extensive customization options, including defining business rules, creating calculated columns, roll-up columns, and even using plugins and client-side scripting. These features enable you to implement complex logic and craft solutions that are highly tailored to your specific business requirements. Overall, the choice between these two depends on the level of customization you need. SharePoint Lists are great for simpler, more straightforward scenarios, while Dataverse provides the power and flexibility for more advanced, complex solutions. This distinction is crucial as we explore how to select the right data management solution for our organization in 2025. Let's take a closer look at how these solutions integrate within the Microsoft ecosystem. SharePoint Lists are particularly useful because they work seamlessly with Microsoft 365 apps like Teams and Forms. This means you can enhance collaboration, streamline communication, and improve file sharing directly within your teams, making your workflows more efficient and connected. On the other hand, Dataverse offers deep integration with the Power Platform, Azure Services, and Dynamics 365. This opens up powerful possibilities for automation, advanced analytics, and building custom applications tailored to your specific needs. When choosing the right data management solution, it's important to consider how these integrations align with your overall business goals. If your focus is on collaboration and simple data sharing, SharePoint Lists are a strong choice. But if you need more advanced automation and analytics, Dataverse provides a robust foundation. In summary, understanding these integrations helps you make smarter decisions, ensuring your data management solution works harmoniously within the broader Microsoft ecosystem to support your digital transformation journey.